Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Trim and cut 2 pounds pork shoulder into 1-inch cubes and pat dry. This ensures even browning. Combine 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon browning sauce, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon allspice, 1 tablespoon ketchup, and a rinsed and seeded Scotch bonnet for heat. Add 2 cloves minced garlic and 1 medium minced onion. Toss, cover, and marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or overnight for best flavor infusion before you start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons vegetable oil in a heavy pot over medium-high heat and brown the marinated pork in batches to get a deep crust. Avoid crowding the pan. After the last batch, deglaze the pot with 1/4 cup water, scraping brown bits. Return all pork to the pot, add 2 cups water. Adjust seasoning with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, bring to a simmer. Then cover and cook on low for 1 hour 15 minutes until the meat is fork tender. When the pork is tender, remove the lid and taste. Adjust seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon sugar or extra salt if needed. Mix 1 tablespoon flour with 2 tablespoons cold water to form a slurry and whisk into the simmering stew to thicken. Then add 1 diced carrot and 1 diced potato and cook 20 more minutes until vegetables are tender. Finish with a squeeze of lime if desired. Serve the Jamaican stew pork hot with rice and peas, yielding 4 to 6 servings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.